brand new day in the neighborhood. As you can see, People Man is up. I'm awake from about 4 o'clock. And yeah, I'm awake from about 4 o'clock. I don't know why, but I go to my bed about 8 o'clock, and then I wake up from like 3, 4. I can't go back to sleep. So I've been up, just not out of bed. If you followed or if you watched our Who's Most Likely To, you would know who's most likely to wake up first. But anyways, yeah, babe, I wash as per usual. If washing was a person, let me know if I should start a GoFundMe, guys, and buy babe a washing machine, because it looked like him need it now. Oh, I forgot the music was on in the background, so let me hang this up and then come back. What you please? I don't know, the trip are different, but every way the trip are different. Nah, ask, guys. The trip are different, bad. When we learn the lyrics for that song, yeah? Over. There's one part I just want to hear. Is it where he goes like ratatata or something like that? Okay, on the same song. Yeah! Alaya, tell me, we can't turn anything. We can't turn anything in a love song. When they tell me to go stop my mother, it's like, oh my God, words of endearment.
Wrong side, you slap, man. Come back. No, now it's the right.
Yeah, mother. No, we don't do those things here. We don't do those things here. Anyways, peeps, as we say, come back later. Bye. Babe, you you guys, I hope I don't get copyright, and I hope you guys can hear me, but hello. Oh, the lighting is perfect. Yes. Anyways, we are at a place called Lucky Strike Crab or Lucky Strike Bar and Grill or something like that. It's some seafood bar and grill place in Portmore. So yeah, I just with it. It's our anniversary.
That's the way to want it.
Yeah, our like actual like dating anniversary. So we've never spent an anniversary together, so this was actually cool. Yeah, this is actually cool. Everything worked out for a reason. We didn't even remember. It was yesterday. We were out, and I was like, tomorrow the 16th. Not yet, my aunt. I have to cool down first. I was like, yesterday. Tomorrow's the 16th or whatever. We're like, wait, oh my God, it's our anniversary, whatever. So we're out because after come celebration, you understand? So yeah, we came here. I wanted some seafood. I've been dying for some seafood and stuff like that. All you guys who know, babe is allergic, so can't consume.
No, not really every seafood.
Not every, but thank you.
There's not available on the menu is the king crab and pork, okay?
Oh, that is not available.
Yeah, no king crab and no jerk.
Oh, okay, I can get my lobster. I'm good. That's fine. Listen, I thought I was gonna be for the third time in a row disappointed with going to a place and them not having what I wanted. So thank you, Father God. Like how them a leave, we can't go upstairs?
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Wait. So yeah, that's where we are. Let me show y'all the menu.
The only thing I say is, you can't go up now because I'm seeing like somebody there. Check. Alright.
So what I'm gonna do is, well, I already know what I want the lobster, kiri poo. So yeah, I'm gonna look what I want, I'm gonna look at drinks first. And I have a drinks on the website what I did like, and see say I like it, how it look and such. So I'm gonna see what I order and stuff. We want to see if we can go upstairs because I have a little rooftop upstairs. It's a nice little vibe. It's a nice outdoor vibe, but they do have an upstairs and stuff. So babe, say hi. Hey. And I love the tinted lighting, you guys. I love this vibe. It's so romantical. And then the Mr. Crab they behind me. You're so enough. It's not even a picture. Hey. Oh, okay, alright. That's fine, we'll stay down here.
No.
You said it's still full.
No, I'm sorry until I'm done. I'm not clear the table.
Oh, sorry. Anyways, I don't mind, but let me look and see what is on the menu. Let me figure out 100% what I want. Yeah, me cool down. Me start cool down a little bit. So I'll be back. We're waiting for our food. We already put in our orders. So when the food comes, I'll show you guys. Yeah, it shouldn't be that long. It's wings and seafood. Yeah, we got our drinks. My mango daiquiri and babe got a strawberry daiquiri, no alcohol. Are you enjoying your night so far? Yeah, it's a good little vibe, guys. I'm not even gonna lie, it's cool. I think I'm gonna come back. I think I'm gonna come back for real and see if we can get upstairs. But have a nice little, it have a nice little vibration. So far, yeah, everything look good. So we are waiting for the food still set way.
Not the HD.
I'm just teaching what HD mean.
You disappointment. Lobster up next, you know?
Me still wait for my food. My food don't come yet. But yeah, babe got his wings and his mashed potatoes and his fries. And yeah, so when my lobster comes, still wait, people.
Still wait. That's why you go in our bossy food.
Ready to go sleep. Y'all, a million years later, but here we are. It's literally like, I'm upset now. I'm not even hungry like that no more. But I'm gonna eat something and come back. I don't know what I wanna just say a while ago, but no, absolutely not. Okay. No, I'm not doing it. See what I mean? Again, I'm ready to go to the photo shoot. And people will take a picture together. No. We don't need to.
Why?
You take yours, me take mine, and you put them together.
That's separation.
Anyways, guys, the food come. It tastes good.
Yeah, the lobster full dry.
Yeah, I'll come back again.
I like the barbecue wings and
compared, me never get to taste babe food, so I don't know what it tastes like, but
yeah, the barbecue nice.
Yeah. I would have tried the sweet chili, but we'll come back again. Compared to the other two places where we go to, this is the only one where I actually would have come back.
No,
yeah.
I go back first.
I'm not go back this one. I'm not go back this one. Because
I used to want to say I go back for the weight man.
No, but them
for the mac and cheese.
Them not have no
parents. No, I use disappointment. The HD, I never have the lobster.
Plush, the mosquito them near me up.
Just be a mosquito.
Whatever, like here was a good. The vibe was.
And serve other people for we.
You want to give the review or you want me to do it? Yeah, so I not remember what we did, but anyways, it was good. Customer service was great. When you come here, ask for Hakeem. He was amazing.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know what one did see a while ago coming up. I didn't even know so the camera did still on. Oh god, but
No, I only hear because it turned down.
no, it was up.
Oh, they
So
must see sky then.
sky. But we all go home now
Alright.
because at 9:14 and curfew's 10 o'clock. So
Then I got a curfew. I would want to fly.
gotta go inside. So yeah, we come back later when we all go home. Anyways, guys, we are home. Dinner was good. That restaurant, Lucky Strike. Yeah, they were like it was really good. We waited a long time today, but it was because they had a event upstairs that they were catering to, and I guess it wasn't something that was booked before. So yeah, but apart from that, customer service amazing. As I said, our waiter his name was Hakeem, and he was amazing. He kept coming to us, and even like the other people that were there as well, like the other waiters and stuff, everybody, no matter what, everybody who passed by was like, are you good? Do you need anything? You get true. You know, like if we looked like we were waiting for something, like are you waiting for something? So they were definitely very attentive. Like customer service 10 out of 10, you guys, I promise you. Like, and for me to say that about Jamaica, especially dealing with food, no, it's not. Amazing. Big up Flo for messing up our Wi-Fi for like the last week. But back to Lucky Strike. They have 2 locations, one in Kingston, one in Portmore. Obviously the one that we went to was located in Portmore. If you're familiar with Portmore, it's in the same plaza as Buzzers. So yeah, I had an amazing time. My food tasted good. As I said, the wait was just a little bit longer today, but I do think we will definitely be visiting them again. Compared to Plush and 876 Terrace. So 876 Terrace is not even on the roster. Like, it would be between Plush and this one is number 1, like number 1. Right off the bat, we got in, they let us know what was available from what wasn't. For food, drinks as well. In terms of seating, they gave us our options. They let us know what was available, what wasn't. They practiced social distancing, all of that kind of stuff. They were just really, 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 really good. Like, I had a really amazing experience, and I'm happy that it was my anniversary. I'm happy it was on my anniversary, because if it was my anniversary and it was like bad, it would have ruined, not necessarily ruined it, but that's what we went out to, you know what I'm saying? So it was good still. So yeah, we're just home. We're gonna finish watching our Netflix series. I watched Outer Banks, but Babe didn't get to watch it, so I'm making him rewatch it. I'm making him watch everything that we didn't get to watch. We finished Blood and Water the other day, so now we're watching Outer Banks. Who's most likely to fall asleep during watching a movie? Yeah. Okay, guys. For the last, like, the series is 10 episodes. We're on episode 5, and it took us 3 days to get to episode 5. Because in the morning or the next day, I'm gonna have to redo the previous episode so that he can remember from what he was catching dropsy during. And I'll let him someday. But happy anniversary, babe. I love you too. It's been an amazing couple of years. It was amazing as your girlfriend. It was amazing as your fiance, and it's amazing as your wife. You're an awesome man. Honestly, I know I stress you out sometimes with my mood swings and my little attitudes and all of them someday, but you're a good youth, and you spoil me. You take care of me. We never have to worry about no. I can honestly say I don't have to come here and like literally worry about nothing. I'm not worried when I'm home. Yeah, like I'm not worried at all. Like literally, you take care of me. Like you take care of me, and I've always wanted a man that can not necessarily take care of me, but just do what a man is supposed to do. Like if he's in your life, you know, there should be no reason why you have a man in your life and he's not doing what he should be. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can already do for yourself. but you're supposed to be able to add on, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, thank you, I appreciate you, I love you.
I appreciate it.
To many more years of a happy, healthy. No, I'm not asleep. Promise you. Where the laptop is? Stop putting the laptop on the ground. Do you have anything to say to the people that before my laptop? Because this is where I'm gonna end off the vlog.
Love, you know?
Love and love alone. Peace, people. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. You guys, I'm gonna try to get better, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell your granny, your dentist, your doctor, your niece, your uncle, your cousin, your nephew, your God picnic them. Big up mine. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Whenever that is, whatever that is. Well, not whatever that is. If it's a next vlog, it's gonna be a Jamaica vlog more than likely. So yeah, obviously. So yeah, it's my anniversary. It's my anniversary. I hope you guys. Yeah, I was just gonna say. I hope you guys aren't confused. It's not my wedding anniversary. It's my dating anniversary. Like yeah, since we officially became official. You know, still gotta celebrate all of the moments. Yo, you guys, let me tell you something about Joel. I never been with anybody who like was sentimental like me. Like I'm the type of person like I will top and eyes, my brother. I am the type of person where like I keep things to remember stuff. Like I'm a girl, me always have a bag put on somewhere or like a box put down somewhere with like things that are like important. You guys, this man has a bag of literally everything. He has a braid that fell out.
I don't fell out, I mean pop it out.
Whatever. Can I tell my own story?
Pop it out.
He has a braid. He has receipts from places that we've gone to, like movie tickets, like he collects literally everything. Like there's some stuff like I even seen and I'm just like I didn't even remember this, but just yo, you guys, it's the little things. Like it's really and truly the little things. Like I'm not a material girl. Like you can't come to me and be like, baby, here's Gucci, here's this, here's that. It's not really gonna move me like how those things move me. Like when I look at that bag and I see all those things that you kept from and it's like you kept it because it means something to you. So that means something to me because that's about us. And like the fact that
there's a connection
top tier, like
enough things,
top tier. Okay, y'all pay attention to the little things. Niggas, no, I'm not gonna call y'all niggas. Males, if you really love a woman, try to understand her, especially her love language. Try to understand your partners, you know, because like there's things where you might feel like you're doing and it may go unnoticed because that's not necessarily what will move the person. So learn about your partner them way if you know like
you cannot read them all the material
and that's not you get what I'm saying. So just know your partners, okay?
True. And listen to what them want, you know?
Trust me, I catch him every time because he'll tell me all the time. Like I'm that type of person. Like I listen keenly to what people say that they want and need, and I'll just pop up like here. You remember you said that you needed this. I don't even necessarily have to say anything. Once they open it, they're like shit, this girl listens. Okay, yeah, I'm like make people happy that way there. But yeah, I was just saying that to say, learn your partner. Learn your partner. Learn your partner, learn your love languages. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, saying all that to say, see y'all in the next vlog. Bye! Hey guys, good afternoon. It's the next day. And it's literally afternoon at 2:48. Flow has stressed me out all week long because the internet now work good. Like after 12 o'clock it just not work. It not working. So yeah, we're there. I'm watching some vlogs right now. I'm also editing some videos for Babe. Him just done throw down in the kitchen. Like, yeah, and him come bring me dinner, come throw down, come give me, not throw down, but place down, come give me something. Didn't want to come show now what him cook. Baby girl, me get jerk chicken, mashed potato, and cucumber. I know you guys are at home like, oh my god, Zoe, why are you showing this? We're jelly.
It's supposed to show up on the rice and beans.
Anybody ever meet anybody with enough like him yet? Comment down below if you have a man or woman enough like him. Comment down below, let me know. Joel always brings the food and never brings the utensils. OMG, but yeah, I'm gonna go eat this. I already taste the chicken already. I already taste the food earlier, so I know what it tastes like. So I'm gonna consume this.
Decided that he would create something himself. Really ran at the Crystal Palace midfield. To be something special to beat Gaeta from there, especially with the size of wall Crystal Palace put in front of him. Always went for.
Take some.
Always going for power, not.
Take some. Come on, also wanna eat yet. On a Sunday dinner don't cook yet, so wanna take some. I'll wait. Me now go look. Just take you. You take some of my chicken?
Well, a couple of seasons ago when Palace did win here, they trailed in that game as well.
Take some of my mash.
Scoring one of the goals of the decade in that match, an extraordinary strike.
Take some.
Helped give Palace their first win in Manchester in 28 years against the side who at the time had won 10 straight here at the Etihad.
We eat our veggies around here, so I have to take some of this too. Come, don't fight me. Take this. Right through. Good girl. Oh, good boys and girls. So proud. What happened?
Jesus.
Long distance loving, and I really see you often, but every time when